Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be using some Madam Glam Witch's Night and some Modelones Black. They don't have names, to do some witchy cat nails, you could say. And here I'm just showing you that I've put the Witch's Night on the thumb, the pinky, the ring, and the pointer already, figuring it would be easy. This video was 40 minutes long, and it was just, there's so much stuff I had to take out. It's my first time actually editing and doing a voiceover. I'm going to get better at it. First, we're going to do the middle nail, which is black matte, and it's going to have witches' hats on it that I'm going to sugar with acrylic. And here I'm just putting some Witch's Night into my little dish that I actually got from Shein. It was like $1. It was really cool. And where you see me put my brushes, I use that with my long detail brush to use for like around the edges or doing long nail French tips. It was actually handy because I don't have a palette. I haven't found one quite that I like. Here I am. Yep. Dipping into the purple. So it's black matte with purple witches hats on it. And here, oops, skipped right on through to the sugaring. There was a lot of sugaring, so I cut a lot of that out. Hopefully this is long enough or good enough. It's not bad. And oop, here we go. Now we are dusting it off. Oh, this is going to be a fun recording. What am I doing now? Oh, putting the black. Okay, so what I do is I'm putting the black in here to put a black buckle onto the nail, onto the hat. That I will sugar. Hopefully I show that. And then I put a purple dot in the middle, like it's the buckle see-through on the hat, which I believe I don't sugar. Yep, here I'm sugaring the buckles. Tapping it off to see if it's see-through. And oh, we're done. Now we're on, geez, okay. Now we're on to the thumb and the pinky. So this is the thumb. So I'm doing the fence. So the design I have in my nail design book is like a black fence, and then a cat on the fence with a moon. So now I'm doing the pinky fencing. Yep. I'm looking at it and thinking, oh yeah, editing. I've got to figure it out a little bit. There's a lot of random, like just people who think doing things like videos is easy. It's not easy. Did I grab? I guess I put it into the lamp. Now I'm doing some more of the fencing. The recording box is in the way, so I think that's what this is. I don't think I'm doing the cat yet. Oh, now I'm on to... Well, that's either the ring or the pointer, I guess. I might... Oh, no, we took that out. I was probably off camera. Now we're doing some more fencing. I think so, yep. This is going to be funny. That's okay. At least it's not one long video of people watching me huff and puff and do weird things and sugar and... Now we're doing more fencing on one of the nails. Okay, off here. Oh, we're about to flip. Yep, here. Oh, I think I can't see. One of these times I'm doing the cat and the moon. So I'm hoping that this is it. Am I drawing lines? Oh, if I'm drawing lines, I'm doing the fence. Oh, can't see your recording box. Oh, now I'm doing the moon. I think this is the moon. Yep. Moon was pretty easy. So it was the fence, then the moon. I think that's how that went. Am I starting the cat? Oh, looks like I might be starting the cat. Oh no, still doing the moon. Huh, I apologize. Not really. I like being me. I don't mind. And I'm off camera. That's always handy. I'm doing the moon on the little one. Am I? Is that the moon? Looks like it. Or is it the cat? Oh, I can't tell. I think it's the moon there I'm showing you, I think, or looking at it. At least it's in frame. I have a lot of issues with in frame, so I'm so glad that Natalie Muggeridge, by the way, is a fantastic nail artist. She's the one who told me that iMovie was on my iPhone and that she used that to voice over and edit, and that's what I'm doing. This is the first time, so as I get better, but thank you to her very much for letting me know how she does it. Oh, now we skipped a bunch. Now what are we doing here? Is this the end still? Now I'm dotting. Oh, I've already done the purple dots. Now I'm just putting, I put a top coat over them. And okay, so there's the moon and the fence. That's what it looked like. Grabbed a little bit out of the lamp. Okay. Oh, now I'm grabbing more. there's the pinky and the ring. That's going to have not a full French, but I call it a witchy French because it's not defined that well. But you'll see when I show you. And now I can't tell what this is.
So I did do the fence first, I understand.
Oh, this looks like I'm doing a cat. I think. This recording box, that's okay. I think I say that 1,000 times in here. It's all right. First go, it'll get better. So either this is the fence, either this is the thumb and the pinky and I'm doing a cat, or this is the ring or the pointer and I'm doing the French tip. Fortunately, it's one or the other. Oh, no, looks like that might be fence one.
But it is a cat.
Oh, no, skip to now what we're doing here.
I'll do a bigger one on the thumb.
Looks like we're doing the pinky. All right. Put the pinky in the lamp there. Now we grab the thumb and we're probably doing a cat. Oh, yep. It was so much fun, too. And I did this first, and then I did this because I have a full set of these. So I can wear them next year because I didn't get them done in time this year. But doing it the second time, I'm going to have to do them together because it wasn't the same. Oh, here I'm showing you a Models 1 cube called
Using a smaller bottle.
Maple Leaf. And I'm using that to put a glitter design on the ring and the pointer, the French tip. Also putting a dab for the eyes for the cat on both of the other nails.
That's not bad.
I think that's what I'm doing here.
So let's stick pictures. Oh,
here I'm showing you the nails. I'm trying anyway. It's hard, my lighting. I just use my like a random desk light because I don't have a ring light yet. All right, now what else are we doing? Oh, we're getting ready to, I think, matte top coat these again. They are matte. Or are they shiny? No, these are shiny. Actually, I did a normal top coat on here. These are glossy. And then the middle finger is the matte, and then the pointer and the ring finger have Purple Witch's Night, glossy, and then the black tip is matte. There we go, and I'm showing you, I believe, them finished. Can you see? I think they're so neat. I try to take pictures. I have to take pictures again. There's the cat on the fence. Oh, you can't see it. There you go. I gotta do more of these.
In the moon, in the fence.
Stamping's not really my thing, but drawing is and painting is, so doing nail art is really easy. I have children, so it's hard to get everything done. Those didn't turn out as quite as I wanted, but I still have the whole set, and I think they're pretty neat.
Shiny on these two.
I love that we love our artwork. Thank you. That's it. See you later. Oh, darn. Can I still record? I wonder if it's going to record. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.